Hello, my dear students of class 4. I hope you all are fine. In my previous class, I have done exercise 3.2. Okay, the multiplication with two numbers and the multiplication with three digit numbers. Okay, today I am going to teach you the new method of multiplication. Okay, lattice method of multiplication. Okay, we have done multiplication by column method and all, okay, but here we are going to do the new method, lattice method of multiplication. We can do multiplication by this method also, and it is very easy and interesting also. Okay, so this is new for you, so you have to see carefully. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you exercise 3.3. Today I'm going to teach you exercise 3.3, and in this exercise two questions are there, question number 1 and 2, and both are the multiplication using the method lattice. Okay, to do the multiplication by lattice method. Okay, so this one is little bit interesting. Okay, and it is new to you, so see carefully. Okay, how I am doing this method. Okay, now let's do this question. Question number 1. Multiply the following using the lattice method of multiplication. So we are going to do this multiplication by using lattice method. Okay, so now how to do, see here. Now see, this one is multiplicand and this one is multiplier. Okay, so multiplicand we will write here. Okay, see here what it is, 127. Write little bit separate. Okay, now what you will do, this multiplier you will write here. Done. Now you will make a box. See carefully. Okay, you have to make a box. Now how many boxes you have to make, that is why I have written first this multiplicand, then this multiplier. Multiplicand you have to write on top, as we are going to form the column. Okay, okay, multiplicand will be along the columns. Okay, so this is called the column and this one is called the row. Okay, so here one row is only there because we are going to multiply this with one digit. Okay, so one row is there and three columns are there. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to divide this box. Okay, you have to make like a triangle. See how I'm making. Okay, little bit you bring down. Okay, again you will divide it. Okay, bring it down, divide it, bring it down. Okay, this triangle. Okay, now can you see it looks like triangle. So this triangle, okay, is for the tens place. Okay, and this triangle is for the ones place. Understood? Now let's multiply. You can multiply like this also, 7 5s or 5 7s. It is same only. You will get the same answer. If you change the order, okay, in multiplication the answer will be same only. So you do 7 5s or 5 7s, the answer will be same. Okay, so here I will multiply with 5. Okay, each number I will multiply by 5. So first I will multiply this 5 with 7. Okay, I will multiply this 5 with 7. Okay, so 5 7s. So now let's read 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35. Okay, 5 7s are 35. Okay, so 5 7s are 35. So what it is, 35. No, so this one is ones place, this one is tens place, this one is ones, this one is tens. Is it or not? 5 7s are 35. So this 5 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place. So what I said is that this tens you will write here. Okay, number which is in tens place you will write here. Okay, and the number which is in ones place you will write here. Okay, now done this one. Now 5 2 ja, 5 2 ja, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. We got 10, that means we will write here 1 and we will write here 0. Okay, 5 1 ja 5. Okay, 5 is one digit number, 5 1 ja 5. So we got only 5 and 5 is in which place? Ones place. So in tens place nothing is there, so we'll write here 0. We'll write here 0 and 5 we will write down. Okay, 5 we will write down. Okay, now after doing this we will add. After doing this, what you have to do? We have to add. Now how to add? Why I have extended this line? So that you will not get confused. So in this triangle, can you see what is there? Only 5 is there. So we will write here 5. Okay, now in this two triangle you see 3 plus 0. So 3 plus 0 is how much? 3. Okay, now in this two triangle you see it is 1 and 5. So 1 plus 5 is, so 1 plus 5 is 6. And this one is 0. So you can write here 0. Okay, so we got the answer. See, what is the answer? 635. 0, no need to read. Okay, it has no value in front of the number. So what is the answer? 635. So when we will multiply 127 into 5, okay, when we have multiplied 127 into 5, okay, by using this lattice method, what is the answer? 635. Okay, so this is the lattice method. Okay, let us do some more question. Okay, you will understand it more better. Now let's do this one. Okay, so this one is 611 into 7. So multiplicand, this one is multiplicand, this one is multiplier. And in multiplicand, how many digits are there? 3 digits. Okay, so how to write? 6 1 1. Okay, little bit separate you have to write. Okay, then this is what? Multiplier, we will write here. Now we will make a box. Okay, we will make a box. Now how many columns will be there? 3 columns, because in multiplicand 3 numbers are there. So 3 columns, 1 2 3. And how many rows are there? Only 1 row. Okay, only 1 row is there. Now what you have to do? We have to divide this box. Little bit to extend it. Okay, divide this box. Okay, divide this box. Okay, you will divide it properly in the middle. Okay, now what you will do? You will multiply this. 7 1 ja 7. So 7 is one digit number. So in this one is for tens, this one is for ones. So in tens, what will be there? 0. And in ones, what will be there? And in ones, what will be there? 7. 7 1 ja 7. Okay, now again 7 1 ja 7. Okay, so here it will be 0 and here it will be 7. 7 6 are 42. So 4 2 is there, 42. So 4 is in tens place, 2 is in ones place. So 4 2 42. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to add. Okay, so in this triangle, what is there? Only 7. This triangle, what is there? 0 plus 7 is 7. This triangle, what is there? 0. Okay, and 2 is there. So 0 plus 2 is 2. And this triangle, what is there? 4. Okay, so after multiplying 611 into 7, so what is the answer? 4277. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the lattice method. Okay, let us do some more question. Now let us do question number E. Okay, so first, so what is the first step? We will write this multiplicand. Okay, now what we will do? We will write this multiplier here. Then we will make box. How many columns are there? 3. columns. Okay, 3 columns are there and 1 row. Now we will divide this box. Okay, divided. Okay, now what we will do, we will multiply this. Okay, so 8 5s are 40, so 4 will be here, 0 will be here. 8 9s are 8 9s are how much? 8 9s are 72, so 7 will write here, 2 we will write here. Okay, now 8 2s are 16, 1 6 16. Now let's add, this one is 0. 4 plus 2 is how much? 6. Okay, 7 plus 6 is how much? 7 plus 6 is 13. So we will write here 3. 1 I will give carry. You have to give carry, okay? In this method also you have to give carry. 7 plus 6 is 13. 3 is here. 1 is given carry over to this. Okay. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. So this is the answer. So 295. Okay. 295 into 8 is how much? 2360. You can even check this by using column method, and you can check whether your answer is right or wrong. So this one is a lattice method. Okay, so in question number 1 we have done multiplication by using one digit number. Okay, so we have done the multiplication by one digit number. No, this 8 is one digit number. Okay, this 8 is one digit number. Now we will do multiplication, okay, by using lattice method with two digit number. Okay, so this was question number 1. I have done 3 questions. Okay, now let's go to question number 2. Okay, now question number 2. Multiply the following using the lattice method of multiplication. So here we are going to multiply this number with two digit numbers. Okay, so now let's start. So first step, what you have to do, we have to write the multiplicand. Okay, so it is 345. Now before this we have done the multiplication with one digit number. Here we are going to do the multiplication with two digit number. So how to write? You will write here 1, okay, and 7 you will write down. Okay, 1 then 7. Don't write 7 here, it will be wrong. Now you have to make box. Okay, now how many columns are there? 1, okay, 2 3. And how many rows are there this time? This time 2 rows. Okay, because 2 digit is there, 1 2, so 2 rows will be there. Divide it. Okay, done. Now what you have to do? We have to make half of this. Okay, so make it like this. Okay, make half of this. Understood? See, I have done. Okay, I have made the half. It's not necessary that it will be perfect. Okay, it can be little bit here and there. Okay, but you have to make box and you have to then divide. Okay, each box. Now let's multiply. Okay, so now let's multiply. First we will multiply this number with 1. Okay, in the second row we will multiply this number with 7. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, slowly and slowly you do it. Okay, no problem. Okay, no need to do in hurry. Slowly and slowly you do it. Okay, 1 5s are 5. 1 5s are 5. So in the tens place what will be there? 0, and here it will be 5 because 5 is one digit number. Now 1 4s are 4, so 0 will be here, 4 will be here. 1 3s are 3, so 0 here, 3 here. Okay, done. Okay, done. Now in the second row, okay, we are going to multiply this number with 7. 7 5s are, 7 5s are how much? 7 5s are 35. Okay, so 3 will be in tens place, 5 will be in ones place. 7 4s are 28. Okay, so 2 will be here and 8 will be in ones place. 7 3s are 21. So write here 2. Okay, and 1 you write in ones place. So done this. See carefully how I have done. I'll repeat it once more time. 1 5s are 5. Why I have written here 0? Because tens place nothing was there, so 0 then 5 in ones place. 1 4s are 4. Here it will be 0, here it will be 4. 1 3s are 3. Now 7 5 ja 35. So 3 5 35. This 3 will write in 3 we will write in tens place, 5 will write in ones place. 7 4 ja 28. 7 3 ja 21. Now the last step is to add them. Okay, we have to add this number. Now first in this triangle you see how much it is? 5. Okay, how much it is? 5. Now in this triangle we have to add 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, you have to add all these three numbers. Okay, 5 3 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, 8 plus 8 is 16. So write here 6. Okay, you will write here 6. See, 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. So 6 we will write, so 6 we will write here. 1 we will give carry. Okay, don't write here 16. Okay, you have to give carry. So 1 I have given carry. Okay, this one is carry. Okay, now let's add 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7, and we have to add this carry one also. Okay, so it will be 8. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, plus 1 is this 8. So write here 8. Okay, now this triangle you see it is 0 plus 3 is 3. Okay, and 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, and this one is 0. If you want you can write, otherwise no need to write. Okay, if you write here it's okay, so that you will not get confused, you write here, but when you will write the answer no need to write. So after multiplying, okay, 345 into 17, what is the answer? 5865. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, you have understood this now? Now let's do some more questions so that you will understand it more better. Now let's do number C. Okay, so first step is to write the multiplicand. Okay, so it is 701. Okay, and this one is multiplier. Okay, this one is multiplier, so it will, how we will write here? 1 9 will write down. Now we have to make the box. Okay, this way you will do. Okay, we'll make the box. Two numbers, so two rows are there. This is called rows. Okay, and this one is the columns. Okay, now what you have to do? We have to divide this triangle. Okay, make it half. Now make it like this. Okay, then make it like this. Okay, understood? See here. Now see here. Now what you have to do? Now same way we will multiply this. Okay, 1 1 ja 1. Okay, so here it will be 0, here it will be 1. 1 will be in ones place. 1 0 ja 0. Okay, 1 0 ja 0. So in both the boxes you will write 0. So in both the boxes you will write 0. Okay, 1 7 ja 7. So here it will be 0 because tens is not there and ones is there, that is 7. So 1 7 ja 7. Now 9 1 ja 9. 9 1 ja 9. So here it will be 0, here it will be 9. 9 0 ja 0. Both you have to write 0. 9 7 ja 63. Done. Now what you have to do? We have to add. This is what? 9. 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, 1 plus 0 is 1. Now this is 0 0 0. What is there? 3. 7, this one is 0. Okay, this one is 7, this is 6. So 0 no need to add. 7 plus 6 is how much? It is 13. Okay, so 3 will write here, 1 we will give carry. Okay, and 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, so what is the answer? It is 13,319. Okay, so now you can write here like this, that 701 into 19. Okay, it is equals to how much? 13,319. Okay, see here. This is the answer now. This is the answer. Understood? Okay, you can write here, you can write at this end. Okay, I have written in this. Okay, I have written here so that no confusion will be there. It will be separated by this line. Okay, and there will be no confusion. Okay, so we got the answer. Now let's do one more question. So now let's do the last question of this question number 2. Okay, I'm doing this last question. Okay, So see carefully. First, this is multiplicand, this is multiplier. Okay, so how you will write this multiplicand? 6, 7, 3. Okay, separately you will write. Okay, I'm repeating it once again in this question. So see carefully those who have not understood. Now this is the multiplier, right here 3, and down you will write 2. Now what you have to do? We have to make the box. Okay, to make the box, no need to make like a very perfect box and do. How you can make little bit lines, maybe what you say, it may go here and there. It's not necessary to make a perfect box. Okay, but when you will divide it properly. Okay, now we will divide this. Okay, now we will make this column. Okay, I know you all are kids now, so perfect box you cannot make. Okay, so you can make little bit here and there, but when you will divide it properly. How to divide? From this corner to this corner, from this corner, this corner. Okay, see, okay, how I am dividing this? From this corner, okay, and from this corner. You have to divide each and every box. Okay, this is, now let's do 3 3 ja 9. So here it will be 0 and here it will be 9. 3 7 ja 21. Okay, 2 will write in tens place, 1 will write in ones place. 3 6 ja 18. 1 will be in tens place, 8 will be in ones place. Okay, 2 3 ja 6. So 0 will be here, 6 will be in ones place. So when it will come one digit, you have to write in this triangle. Okay, in this ones. Okay, now 2 7 ja 14. So 1 will be here, 4 will be in ones place. 2 6 ja 12. So 1 here, 2 will be here. Okay, now what you have to do? We have to add. Okay, okay, so now let's add this. In this triangle it is 6. Okay, now 9 plus 0 is 9. Okay, and 9 plus 4, this 9 plus 0 is 9. Okay, 9 plus 4 is how much? 13. 3 I will write here, 1 I will give carry over to this. Okay, so now let's add. This is 0, so 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, now 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So 1 I'll write here, 1 I will give carry, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so done. Now let's write here that 673 into 32. What is the answer? What is the answer? 21,536. Okay, so this was about the lattice method. I hope you all have understood. If you have any doubt, I always say that you can ask me. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. So with this, I have done exercise 3.3. Okay, there were two questions. Okay, this was new. Okay, so I have made you understand properly, slowly. Okay, and I hope you have understood. If you have not understood, you see it again and again, then only you will understand. Okay, so with this I have completed exercise 3.3. In my next class I will do the other exercises. Okay, so for today up to this much. Whatever I have done, first you do this in your copy as classwork, and what I will give you, you do that as homework in your copy. Okay, thank you.